Creating a simple invoice in Adobe Express is quick and easy. Follow these steps to design a professional invoice. Access Adobe Express. Go to Adobe Express and sign in or create a free account. Click on Create New Project and search for Invoice in the template search bar. Choose an invoice template. Browse the available invoice templates and select one that fits your style. Click Customize to open the template in the Adobe Express editor. Customize the invoice. Business information. Add your business name, logo, address, phone number, and email. Client details. Include your client's name, address, and contact information. Invoice number and date. Input a unique invoice number and the invoice date. Service or item details. List each product or service, including description, quantity, unit price, and total. Total amount. Calculate and display the subtotal, taxes, and grand total. Download and share. Once you've customized the invoice, click download to save it as a PDF or image. You can also share the invoice directly via email or a link.